1 in 12 children lived in the worst form of poverty in 2025, with more than 95,000 children experiencing consistent poverty, while a further 206,000 were at risk of poverty. The annual Child Poverty Monitor carried out by the Children's Rights Alliance found that while the levels of consistent poverty decreased, the trends have remained constant, with children having the highest rates of poverty compared to all other age groups.
Over 95,000 children are experiencing consistent poverty, according to the Children's Rights Alliance's latest Child Poverty Monitor, which tracks the government's progress on reducing the number of children experiencing poverty. It said the number of children living in consistent poverty decreased from 8.5% in 2024 to 7.8% in 2025, the highest of any age cohort. It has called for a children's budget in the next budget.
We know that families on the lowest incomes are really struggling with the cost of food and cost of energy. The government can address that by building on last year's budget, increasing welfare payments for children and also increasing the fuel allowance for families as well. But the government also needs to look at the cost of housing. We know that that's eating the household incomes as well.
1 in 12 children lived in the worst form of poverty in 2025, the Monitor said.
What really struck me about the report, it states that it will take 4 to 5 generations for change for young people.
I know so many people who are living in standards that are actually just horrendous, and it's families, it's people with kids, it's horrendous. But I do think with more support there can be a better future, and I believe it can get better.
While the Monitor is capturing reductions in the levels of consistent poverty, the CRA says the rate of progress is of little comfort, as 1 in 5 children are experiencing enhanced deprivation. Sharon Lynch, RTÉ News.